I'm here at Sally's place in Newmarket. I've come to fix her cracks in her foundation. I've been scheduled to do 5 cracks, but I only found 4 that are worthy of attacking, and I'm going to go off and do her right now.
Hi there.
Hi.
Yeah, today we've had Dryshield come over to repair some cracks in our basement, and so far so good. We've got a few more to go, and looks like the work. Brian from Dryshield seems like he's an expert in his field,
Yes.
and very precise in what he's doing. And hopefully, we will solve our problem here and have a nice dry basement.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
we
he's very good what he's doing, and he shows very good that he's doing all the work, and he's looks like a gentleman at the time.
And yeah, we definitely would recommend Dryshield.
Yeah.
Very professional, from the salesman right to the work that's being done. So we give it a high recommendation.
Very happy with the service.
Yes.